Hey everyone, here is a simple way to accomplish delicious Jamaican rice and peas. And here's what you'll need. 2 cups of coconut milk, 1.5 cups of water, 1 stalk of scallion, 1 can of kidney beans, 2.5 cups of parboiled rice or rice of your preference. You're going to also need a small onion, ensure it's chopped. Also ensure that stalk of scallion is crushed, 2 sprigs of thyme and 1 scotch bonnet pepper. We'll start by combining the coconut milk and water. Then you're going to go ahead and bring this to a boil. After it comes to a boil, you'll start by adding your scallion, your onion, your thyme, the kidney beans, the salt, and you'll go ahead and give it a little stir. At this point, we'll go ahead and add our rice, give it a little stir, add our scotch bonnet pepper, cover the pot, bring it to a boil, and then lower the flame. You then allow the rice to boil until all the grains are tender. Close to the time it's going to be ready, this is how your rice will look. You'll go ahead and give it a stir. Try not to burst the scotch bonnet pepper. I did not have access to scotch bonnet pepper, that's why I used 2 seasoning peppers. And I tend to like my rice and peas still full of the coconut flavor, so I don't cook it until it's super dry. Now if you're not Jamaican, you have Jamaican friends, or you visited Jamaica, you've enjoyed the cuisine, this is a recipe for you. Easiest way to make delicious Jamaican rice and peas. And I paired it with some escovitch fish that I made earlier. And that's it for another Kay's Kitchen Tales. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay blessed.